hides the implementation details, and it shows you like the details of like the object that the user needs to see. So encapsulation like groups all the like data together, and it makes it into like a single unit. So and like you need some sort of access to access some objects that are encapsulated.
Yeah, and I think the second part of the question might be visible on your screen. Is it visible?
Yeah. Give 4. Okay, could I just have a minute to think? So could you tell me like which like what 4 pillars you're looking for, like abstraction, inheritance, encapsulation, and polymorphism, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So I mean, this is something that I've practiced. So I take the example of a car maybe. So this is like the so pen. Okay, just give me a minute. I'll just frame it. Okay, so abstraction would be like the all the buttons that a driver can use in a car. So maybe like the radio button and the accelerator, brake pedal, and stuff. And they don't need to know how it works internally. Like they don't need to know what is connected to what and why this is happening. They just have to press the accelerator and the car will move forward. And then encapsulation can be like all the data that is available for them to look at, like whatever the car's rules chooses to show them, like the fuel level and stuff, and inheritance. I'm not really sure how. I forgot the part where I. Yeah, I think I'm a little stuck. Just one sec. Okay, inheritance can be like there's different types of cars, right? So like electric cars, petrol cars, diesel cars. So the main class will be like motor vehicle or cars, and the in inheritance, all the other separate electric, petrol, diesel will come under that.
Okay. Maybe another basic one related to Python. I think you know Python, right?
Yeah, I do.
Yeah. So I mean, this is just a basic one again, since we are talking about this thing, abstraction and all that.
Yeah,
Is it visible? The question.
yeah, I'm just okay. So okay, interface in Python is basically you use like a small class, like a base class that you can say, and this has only like you can only use abstraction in an interface. So like I explained, for a car, the interface is the buttons and the pedals and stuff, and we can only use that if it is an interface in Python. You have to use an abstract class.
Okay. You know what is the role of abstract method? At the rate abstract method, we use it in Python.
The rule of abstract.
Abstract method at the rate. Like, let me just put it. I'll just type it. Yeah, is it visible?
Okay, what is the role of at abstract method? Okay.
Yeah.
Well, so you're asking me how it works, like, because it's the same thing I just said, right? An interface, like how interface it comes under interface and.
Can you show, like, give an example on
I
this
mean, okay, so
editor? Yeah.
okay, you want an example for.
Yeah, on the editor. Yeah.
So basically, abstract method, you can use it to like declare any method. Like it is so basically in an abstract class, you can use it to make like another abstract. So it has to be in a subclass that is already taking it from another parent class, and that parent class has to be abstract.
Okay. Moving on. I'll keep on asking questions. So yeah, what is the difference? This is all Python related only, because I
Okay.
want this.
Between new. Okay. So new is it is just like used to create a new instance for any class, and it is usually called also before init. So
Okay.
init is where it is used to like actually put the object, like initialize the object when it has been declared by new.
Mm. Mm. Okay. That's fine. Yeah. Let me ask you another question now. This won't be Python. This is your thinking ability and all that.
Okay.
So yeah, is it visible?
Yeah, yeah, it is. Let me just take a minute to read it.
Mm.
Okay, so to approach the issue, we could start by like confirming why it happened, like if it is happening during a specific time or when a specific button or a specific component is accessed by a user.
Mm.
And I would test it on my end only, like by using it to see if it is giving me also the same error.
Mm.
Then I would go to the GitHub and see if anyone has made any changes recently, like if anyone
Mm.
has merged any new code recently. And then maybe I would go to whoever my senior is, and if I find a mistake, then I would go to my senior. If I don't, also I would go and maybe like ask them what they think the problem is. And while execution, if we do get an error, we can look at what the error message is saying and debug based on that. And the third question is, how would you validate? So we can test, we can like make a solution that we think will work, and we can test it. And if it works, then good enough, or else we have to like keep testing till we find the solution.
Mm. Um. Okay. So what would be the first thing which you like when you're checking logs? What was the first thing which you'll check like to
uh,
possible problems?
Possible problems that I would check. We would like check if I would check if it is happening because of more traffic. Like if the website itself is being overloaded by something, like by a lot of people like trying to access it. Uh, but you're asking me that if I run it and if I get an error, what I will look at, right?
Mm, yeah.
Okay. I'm not sure what, like, because it depends on the error. So
Whether it's a
if it is like a okay, I would look at like if
latency
it is a
issue or like
404.
memory issue or
Okay, so if it is a 404 error, that is like
Mm.
obvious. It is that you are that this thing look destination is not responding. If it is like a 422 error, maybe it has something to do with the authentication or the JSON web token issue.
Mm.
So I would look at the error, like there'll be a code, right? So I would, I mean, I'm not very familiar with what each code means, but I
Mm.
would look it
Mm.
up quickly and I would understand what it does.
Okay. Okay. You know the hooks in React?
Sorry.
Hooks. I mean, it might be
Okay,
visible now.
hooks.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah,
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, I do know
yeah.
hooks in React.
I mean, the question might be visible to you. Can you just
What
answer?
are hooks in React? Okay, so hooks are basically you can call them functions that they let you basically use the features that React has inbuilt in them. So there are different types of hooks like web hook, use, effect, then context, callback. So basically, what these do is like effect. It lets you perform it lets you perform side tasks like maybe like if you wanna like fetch, if you wanna like get some data like from an API or something. And context is like it adds a value, like it puts a value into a component, and you can share that value to people instead of having to share everything like manually. And yeah, I think
Mm. Can you give some examples of React hooks?
examples of React hooks.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, like maybe like a state, context, reference,
Mm.
callback.
Okay. Okay. Moving on. So yeah, this is one more related to like I was just want you to I've set this thing compiler to React. Can you like code this part like how to have a simple toggle button between light and dark thing?
Okay, I can do that. Could you give me uh, the color, like color code for the light theme, like
Uh,
fast,
okay, okay. No, I don't have that right now. Um,
because I don't remember the.
even I don't have it. It's fine. It's fine. That is okay. You just give some dummy value for now. I don't want a running code. Okay. So
Okay, so shall I
yeah,
just
just yeah, zero accept something. Yeah, just give something.
and the number also I'll just give it.
Yeah.
And the height also, shall I just
No, no, height is not a mandatory thing. It's just like yeah,
I'll just name it maybe like
yeah,
50.
yeah, yeah.
And I'll just give it a random heading size, like H1 is fine.
Mm-hmm.
How do I move the
I think yeah, that's it.
Yeah, yeah, this is fine. This is fine. You have done kind of extra on it. I was just checking if it's able to run the code or not in the editor, but yeah, that's fine. It's not a problem.
I think I missed a line at okay. I missed the DOM dot. I missed the render
uh,
line.
yeah, it's fine. It's fine.
Yeah.
This is fine. I'm fine with
Okay.
this solution for now. Moving over. Yeah, I mean, at your role, I mean, you might be aware you need to do a lot of problem solving, like as far as interviews are concerned.
Yeah.
So yeah, I'll give you the question. Next question. I just need a pseudo code to this, not the entire. I mean, you won't be able to code it in the time constraints.
Yeah. Just
Yeah, so I need a pseudo code for this. You can use Python, anything, just to give the
okay.
pseudo like syntax and all. walk me through the solution and everything. Yeah,
Okay.
go through this. Yeah.
Okay, so I can write this in Python, right?
Hmm.
So, so basically, we'd have like two classes, maybe.
Hmm.
That is, one is like some like whenever a visitor comes, and whenever they want to get on a ride.
Hmm.
Uh, can I close this?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. You can change it to Python.
Why is it opening a new tab?
What?
If I click here, okay. How do I close the output?
I'm not seeing anything. You can just minimize the output, right? What?
Okay, yeah. Yeah. So I will start by creating the visitor class.
Hmm. Also, I'm just looking for pseudocode. Don't be like very elaborate, because it
Yeah.
will take a lot of time. Yeah.
Okay. No, I'll just
Yeah.
I can copy this. And,
I mean, you're going fine only for now. I
yeah.
can
No,
understand
I'll
what you're
just
trying.
copy it for everything. Like
Yeah.
it'll be faster.
Mm. For each of the things, like visitor, what kind of details will the visitor have? What kind of details will the entry pass have? And then ride will have some details about the ride.
Yeah. So I mean, there will be main two classes. Then we will just write like a
Mm,
maybe like
mm,
a
mm,
if
mm,
statement.
mm. Yeah. Think about, yeah, designing how would you design the solution?
Yeah. Yeah. So like, shall I include like everything that like? Do you want me to include more to this thing, or is this much enough?
I don't see anything. I just see the what is that the that's all you've written? Def init self ID age height whatever. Oh, this is the visitor class. Okay, okay.
Yeah. Yeah. This is the
Yeah,
visitor.
yeah, 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 yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Then
so it has age, height, entry. What? I can't see it because of the Python, whatever this thing covering the.
yeah.
Yeah, one second. Let me just press enter. Yeah, yeah, okay. And what is the second class that you were telling?
Oh, no, wait. Wait. No, so basically visitor class and right class is enough for this because there's only two entities here that
Mm-hmm.
is supposed to do check. So I'll just write the two classes first.
Okay, okay.
Yeah. Even single, like only one use is not allowed, right? Like they have to be able to, like multiple uses should be allowed, right?
Yeah, 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 obviously. Yeah.
So
Uh,
we can use single, like we can add single usage also as false.
hmm. Also, okay.
Sorry,
No,
is there any mistake?
no, I was thinking. Yeah, yeah. No, no, just continue. Yeah, continue.
Okay.
There should be some payment kind of a wallet kind of a thing, right?
Uh,
As the third class.
for payment,
Or I use, yeah, yeah.
because okay, I thought like we were doing this assuming that the entry pass is bought and like one time
Yeah,
payment.
yeah, but yeah, I mean, entry pass will, whatever. If they buy for say 2,000, then say one ride is for 500, so that entry pass value should reduce.
No, but like I thought it was like so basically how it is in Wonderla, like
hmm.
you buy one ticket and you can go on all the rides. You just
uh,
check.
okay, you're thinking like that. Okay.
Yeah. So is that
Hmm.
fine? Like,
Yeah, that's also fine. Yeah.
but in the right class we could. Um, so there's this extra payment requirement, right? So, hello, am I audible?
Yeah, yeah,
Yeah. Can you hear me? Hello.
yeah, yeah. I know. I'm audible.
Yeah. So for this extra payment requirement, we can include it in the right class only because it is just for like some rides, right? Like it's not
Mm-hmm.
for all rides.
Yeah, yeah. Also, okay. Since you mentioned Mandala, like Mandala also has a right. What is that? Pass, whatever. What is it called? Entry pass has types like a regular pass or a what is that VIP pass. So that also can be a class.
Yeah, that is just for like line in which line you have to. Yeah.
Yeah. So you need that. Yeah, specifier as well.
So you want me to add that? Like,
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
okay, just one second.
Yeah.
So that would have to be added in the visitor itself, right? Like visitor class,
Yeah, yeah.
because
Pass type. Yeah, yeah.
yeah, in the initial. So you want me to add
Pass type.
add a pass type in classes.
Yeah, yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
Okay. Okay. I'll just finish this.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Finish it, finish it.
Yeah. So this extra payment thing is it because if is it because the person is not a visitor, like they have come without a pass and they just want to pay for a specific ride, or
Mm, yeah, yeah,
because okay.
you can take it. Yeah.
Okay, we have to also check if the name matches, right, when it is used, the pass.
Hmm. Hmm.
So it is like if you buy a pass, you can only go on one ride once, like according
Mm,
to this logic.
yeah, yeah. This is for the one extra payment. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Uh, I think this looks good. Like,
Yeah, I just wanted a pseudo code. Yeah, I mean, this is okay. Right, is the eligible? What was the? Is the visitor eligible? Are you checking anything eligibility? What is the
yeah,
logic?
the age, height, and
Mm-hmm.
payment,
Okay.
and the how many times the pass has been used.
Okay. And what about the ride reaching capacity? Did you try
Yeah, yeah,
that?
it's here. No,
Ah.
ride already accessed. Ride full at the last,
Which line is that? Last.
last.
Oh, okay, okay, okay.
Yeah,
Right, full. Okay, okay. Right, already. Okay, extra. As the visitor already used the right single use. This is where is this part? Has the visitor already used this right as single use?
yeah.
Oh, okay. Makes sense. Yeah, this is fine. I'll go to the. Okay. I have some follow up questions. Like, so what if the Are you checking the payment or something? Somewhere extra payment. Okay.
Yeah, that extra payment is just if you want to use it again or if they have not bought a pass.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay. Uh, and are you putting it on when the capacity is full? Are you putting where what right full? Okay.
yeah, right. Full.
So what app like what do you do with like okay? Would you put them on a wait list or something like for the future? Like what is the implementation? Like what will you like? You put them on a wait list or like what? How would you avoid that?
Uh, so you're asking me how I would avoid, like how I would make it easier for them to know if
Yeah,
the
when the capacity is full, what exactly would you do? Like just don't like you need to code it. Like
okay.
what would be your strategy?
Uh, well, mm, so yeah, like a waitlist system would be put into. We could like we'll implement a waitlist system that
Mm.
can where visitors can tell us that they are interested to like experience the ride,
Mm.
and then they are given like we can give them an option to join the waitlist, and when uh, when like for one round is over and the next 20 or 30 people, how whatever the ride capacity is available, that on that wait list, the next 20 numbers we can send them like a notification that your
Mm.
spot is ready.
Okay. All right. Let me ask you a different question now. So this is like a scenario. So you need to design a product catalog service for a e-commerce app. Okay. So let me just put that question for you. 1 second. Is it visible?
No, not yet.
Okay. I think it is visible now. Yeah.
Yeah. I think option B would be better because it is more efficient and faster.
Mm-hmm.
So if someone is accessing the same product again and again,
Mm-hmm.
uh, then we can use like a temporary cache until they
Mm-hmm.
move it to their final cart. So maybe like Redis or something like that.
And how would you defend your decision if someone says the first option is better?
Sorry, how would I?
Like defend your decision to someone telling that the first option is better. How would you convince?
Okay. Well, it is very simple because to fetch product from a data like from a database for every request, it takes more computing power and more time.
Mm-hmm.
So using option B is it saves more time. It also uses lesser resources.
Mm-hmm.
It's faster. So
And okay, that's kind of correct. Yeah. So and what like yeah, that is any other trade-offs like between like consistency, with the same performance and or the complexity between the two options. Like if you
trade-offs
had to compare,
between
yeah, yeah,
so like trade-offs between option A and option B.
yeah, 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 yeah. Any other trade-offs? Any constraints or any performance issues or consistency issues or complexity issues?
I mean, well, option like I said, option B is much faster and it like has less load and stuff.
Hmm.
But I option A is definitely the easier option. Like if in terms of complexity, it is simpler
Hmm.
because you don't need to validate your cache or worry about old cache being stuck with
Hmm.
like not refreshing and stuff.
Hmm.
Uh, Consistency also, I think option A is better because it's a full process. So it is a fully validated process where from
Hmm.
point A request goes, the request is accepted and the data is sent.
Hmm.
And there are like test cases in place to make sure that if the data is not sent, at least an error is shown. So option A
Okay.
is more consistent and simpler, but option B is the faster and efficient method.
Okay. All right. Oh, we're almost at time as well. I had one or two questions, but yeah, I mean, this is fine. Like I've covered a lot of areas, I think.
Okay.
This is not a mock interview, so yeah, I mean, you would have given mocks also before, right? This right?
Yeah, I have.
Yeah. So uh, yeah, we had like only 1 hour and so many topics to cover, so I couldn't, go so deep like or ask a very long question. This is all I had for you. I
Okay.
mean, I think you can drop. Overall, this was a very good interview, is what I can say. And
Yes.
that's all I can reveal now for now. Yeah,
Okay.
thanks a lot. Yeah.
Do you have any feedback for me where I could better myself or?
I mean, no, no, not much. It's you have kind of for your level, you have kind of a good head start, or what do you say? Like whatever project you've done is good,
Yeah.
and your React and all is good, and I mean, your communication is also fine. So I don't think you need to work on any of those things. Yeah, just keep doing DSA, at least for your level. DSA is the most important. I
Yeah.
mean, this interview focused on the other aspects like React and all, but generally
Yeah.
they don't
I
ask for
do.
your level.
I mean, I
Yeah.
have used apps like Cursor and stuff to build my projects, but
Hmm.
yeah,
Oh yeah, I was
building.
about to. Sorry. Yeah. So
Yeah.
yeah, as you know that Claude. I mean, even I'm using Claude now. So
Yeah.
yeah, that's all the industry is changing. So you better, yeah, you
Correct.
can
No,
also
no,
use
I'm
that.
very well
But
versed in
yeah,
Cursor.
yeah.
In
So
fact,
but the thing is, it's
yeah.
like it's mostly prompts, and the people like they don't understand like what is happening. But first, you should have like basic knowledge, and then use cursor and
No,
Claude and all.
the first important thing is how you're managing context in
Yeah,
each prompt
yeah,
that you
yeah,
send.
yeah.
Yeah. So because then else it'll like use infinite number of credits.
Yeah, that's also there, and also it gives you some code which you have to be careful while using it.
Yeah. No, I mean,
People,
I how I do it is I in my prompt I include the whole file structure that I want.
hmm,
Like if like for my app, like if I just want front end back end, I'll ask it to create separate SRC folders in front end one and in back end one, and ask it to store everything inside that. So like the
hmm,
structure looks good,
hmm,
and obviously I give it the whole tech stack that I want to work with, and
hmm,
like all the specifications needed. So first it is like the skeleton of the code should be right, like the backend should run, the functioning should be right, security should be proper, and
hmm.
after that I start working on the UI.
Okay.
Yeah.
Uh, yeah, that's all. You can drop.
Okay,
Yeah.
thank you.